In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a border in Affinity Photo. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is you must have a photo, and there's a bunch of different ways to do this, but the easiest one by far is the following. So you just want to have your photo, click on it, and then you want to click on the Document tab up top. You want to hover over where it says Setup, and then you want to hover over Resize, and then click on Canvas. Now in here, if this is not anchored to the center already, you want to click on the center button over here. And then what I would recommend is you actually want to unlink this. Okay, so this is kind of the link. You can unlink this so it looks like that. And then you want to give it the size of the border you would like to have. So for example, let's say I want to have a border of 600 pixels. So I'm going to click on here, just next to this number, type in plus 600. And then I'm also going to do this over here. So I'm going to do plus 600. And then of course you could change this to any unit you like. I'm just going to leave it as pixels for now. Make sure it's anchored to the center and click on resize. What this is going to do here is going to basically add in a border, as you can see over here. However, this is still kind of a transparent border. So to actually give it color, you want to click on pixel up top, and then here you want to go to where it says new fill layer, click on that, and then drag it over here on the right hand side, drag it below your image, and just like that, you now have a border, and you can click on it, and you could go ahead and change its color to whatever color you want. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully added a border. So that's that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.